I grown up with it and I love it. The new generation, the kids, they didn't like it so much. See, I know this is the local style, huh? This is life, not high soul, countryside. We have a sticky rice, right? We can eat with barbecue pork or this is the sausage, it's really good. So I like to dip on this one. So sorry, dip. ทำได้ทุกอย่างเมื่อวาน
Ooh, it's good.
คนกินโชว์นะหิวเหรอหิวโอกาสกินข้าวใช่ค่ะ
Here we go.
Creamy.
This reminds me of something we have also in Portugal, like a pate.
Very close to pate taste, yeah. Texture of taste.
It's salty. Good.
Lekker? Heel lekker.
Heel lekker.
อันนี้มาแสดง5 บาทต่อ5 บาท Okay, you guys share 5 บาท
We tried it yesterday. It's good.
No, you know it? Okay, you buy it? Right, a bit spicy. Maybe you can buy sticky rice after all in case you come. Oh yeah, that's the Chiang Mai sausage.
It's very herbal. It's really
A lot
good.
of lemongrass,
Yeah.
lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, chili shallot. Oh,
Yeah.
it's good, huh?
Really good.
That's Chiang Mai stuff. They have even a bigger portion. You see the roll, you see the big one, the roll. They sell like, I think 100 gram for like 35 baht. This is like mini portion.
Yeah. We tried this at the market yesterday, the Sunday
เราเคย
market.
ลองกินแล้วอันเนี้ย
Very
Sunday
good.
market. And this is good.
This is the pork? Or-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pork.
We also tried it. It's really good.
And they put coconut oil and sugar. So they mush it. Oh, you want to smell it? Some people never smell.
But I don't think it smells that bad.
That better. So when you have the whole rice and put in the room, it still smells
Yeah.
quite strong.
They don't allow that in the hotel.
Yes, yes, no. I like that. This is a steamed sticky rice. There, we have a banana inside. Inside kasoman. And this one, they grill them. Yeah, ข้าวเหนียวปิ้งข้าวต้มมัดนะคะ They grill them so that's very sticky, right? So the old behind the market อย่างเนี้ยสินค้าอาจารย์ขอบคุณค่ะ Even though it's so nice. You guys could try. Yeah, I sample. So I like the barbecue one. Yeah.
Okay.
So they will excuse that we can mash up and we taste something. See the inside? Yeah. How's the banana?
Ah,
It's so
nice.
good. This is steamed, but this is grilled. This is inside with sweet potato, taro, banana. For myself, I like them both, but I like the smell of the grilled banana leaf. You don't find this in the restaurant. It's local. I'm a sugar mommy. I keep saying I'm a sugar mommy. What about you? Pick and I pay. Which one do you like? Pick any of them you like to try.